Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over why am I not receiving DoorDash email notifications. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and receive DoorDash email notifications for certain promotions or discounts. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the DoorDash app. Next, go ahead and click on your profile icon in the upper right hand corner. Now on this page here, click on settings on the top hand side, then scroll down, and then underneath account settings, you're going to find notifications. Click on notifications. So you're going to see a section called email preferences. So click on email preferences, and then this is where you can toggle on or off between different notifications. So afterwards, click on Save Preferences, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fix receiving email notifications from DoorDash. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.